In this video tutorial today, I am going to show you guys how I draw my support and resistance levels. Starting from the daily time frame, you want to know the overall sentiment of the markets. You want to know the overall bearishness or bullishness of the market. You want to know where the market is bouncing at, before scaling down to the smaller time frames and knowing where to enter, where to get out. So I am going to show you guys all of that in a very short amount of time. I don't want to make this video long, so if you haven't subscribed, kindly smash that subscribe button, because this channel provides you with quality content to help better your trading. Alright, so if you are an ICT guy, smart money guy, I probably don't think this video will, it's not for you, like but if you're into simple price action, simple price action, you might want to consider watching this video all the way to the end, as I am going to be revealing some quality materials here for you. All right, so first off, as you can see, this is GBP CHF on the daily time frame. What I'm doing here is where the price is at, where it's priced right now. This is price, like, don't focus your mind too much on all of this. Just look at where it's priced now. This is price. All right, now if I say price is here, we are trading support and resistance. And what is support? Typically support is a price area where price has rejected twice in the past. Like if price has rejected an area clear enough, it should be like very clear, visible, a visible area on the chart where price has bounced up at least twice in the past, or a visible area where price is rejecting off of at least twice in the past. All right, so if we have a level like this one, you can see here clearly where's price. One more time, this is my price, this is where the price currently is. I see point A, which is this high here. There's a push. I look across to the left and I see this and I see this. Right now, this is resistance. Anybody can draw resistance, even the smart money guys, ICT guys, they can all draw resistance levels, right? But now not all of them trade it because they just don't see it to be fun enough. They want something more complicated. Yeah, so this is my resistance level right now. Looking at this market, I can tell you that this market is clearly bearish. I don't need to explain anything. We can all see the market is bearish. So now I know exactly where the price is at. It's at the resistance level and I'm in a hurry to take a trade. So right now I'll scale down to the 4-hour time frame immediately. So this is the 4-hour time frame. By the way, let me go on the 8-hour time frame so that I can have like a bird view of everything. All right, so this is my 8-hour time frame. You can clearly see that, yeah, we have a nice area there. Price is bouncing up. Now let's zoom into this price action here. I think it's where we're more concerned. All right, now currently this is price. Price is inside my key level here. What do I look to do? First off, we can all agree that price has made swing lows. Swing lows is this, and this, right? These are 3 swing lows here, and you can also refer to this as liquidity, right? Now, with that knowledge, I know that, okay, now since the price is bearish, we have resistance level here without having to think too much, anything, right? Take a trade. Just simply take a trade. Like normally I'll take my trade inside this level around there before price even gets there, right? Keep my stops above this high slightly. Then I'll probably be aiming for the next support area. All right, support. When I say support, I'm looking like for areas where price has rejected nicely, like clear areas like this. So let me draw this out for you real quick. You can see here we have a level of support. This is support. So I'll put my entry and my exit right about there. That's it, guys. We are literally trading this chart to get that. Okay, I'm also going to go to my Telegram and I'll show you guys some screenshots of like some trades that I was taking this week and the week before that, so you guys know that I actually trade like this for real. So this is my resistance and this is support. I'm not planning to buy here. Why? Because I'm bearish on this pair, right? This support here is just like a target because price will always have a reaction from this level, at least. So I will play price right now and price will consolidate, of course. Now wait, before this price dropping here, I want you guys to understand something. Put this in mind. Whenever you're trading, when you enter a trade off a key level, do not anticipate price to just push immediately down. price will always bounce from this level at least 2 times. 2 times, like it will reject, come back the second time, reject, maybe the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth time before finally dropping. I've watched the price for a very long time, and I can tell you this, like on every single trade I take, I always prepare for this. So like here you see price entered, price dropped all the way here, pull back up again with this candle before falling. Same thing here. Let's say we're buying here, look at the number of times price has to retest this area before pushing. It's terrifying, so you have to be patient. That's just a bonus tip. Right now, this is my trade. It's playing now. Let's see where price goes. And good. Now, when I spoke of a rejection or like a minor reaction, this is what I was referring to. This is a support area, but that does not mean you just buy. Of course, we have a daily bias, and the daily bias here is bearish, right? We are looking for bearish sentiment. We're looking for sells in this market. But now, that does not mean we have to ignore the buying points in the market, right? So if we are looking for sells, you want to enter and get out where there's the next buying stop. Like let's say you enter the bus stop, the next bus stop, probably that's where you should be looking to, stop, right? Or get off the bus. I don't know if that makes sense. But what I'm saying is we have a bus stop here, which means the bus will stop here at one point, even though this is not our destination, right? So I get out here and I secure my profits. I get a complete full position. I don't hold anything. I'll not come and tell you on YouTube that, oh, I'll hold it straight all the way down here. No, I won't. I'll get out here. That's it. I'm done. Then I'll look for the next opportunity. So how do you treat support and resistance? On a brief note, let me tell you guys. Support and resistance, right, at levels like this, where you see price bounce, break below, bounce again, break above, bounce, like just areas that price has bounced multiple times. Now, when we have that, wherever price is, that's where we trade. Let's say price is above our support, we are buying support. If below resistance, we are buying. If it breaks above resistance, then we buy resistance now as support, right? So this support here will serve as resistance once this level is broken. And now I'm looking for sell since my bias bearish. Remember, don't forget your daily bias, it's very important. So I'll continue playing price, and now this level has successfully been reached. You can clearly see that this support area has failed, even though it reacted to price here, right? But now it has broken down below, and normally our natural instinct would just tell us to sell immediately. That's like the right thing to do. So I'll just enter sell, and I'll put my stop at a reasonable spot. When putting my stops, right, I don't look for like swing highs. Swing highs is advisable to look above swing highs and stuff, but like this one here is just too high for me. I'll not put my stops there. There's no way. I'm not like some kind of, So I'll put my stops where I think if price should reach this area here, then this is a confirmed breakout, and we should be looking for buys instead, right? So I don't want to be in a buying trade where like I have a a sell, but the market is clearly showing buy, like stuff like that. That's what I'm saying. So if the market is about to buy, I want to get out so that I start looking for other opportunities, right? So you won't be blinded by the sell trades. So where's the next area you think price will bounce at? I think price could bounce here, like you can see price push, broke, retested. This is clearly support, and price could bounce there. So did that work out? Did that work out? Did that work out? All right, what's this? All right, so price came down to the support area but did not quite tap it yet, and it retraced back to entry. So normally on a daily basis, on a normal day, I must have exited these positions here, either with partial profit, or I don't know, or maybe somehow just get out profitable. Yeah, so that's the idea. The idea is when support is broken, it's resistance. When resistance is broken, it is support. So if you have learned anything in this video, like you clearly see here, it just broke again and retested. Yeah, bring the price up. Yeah, so that's just the idea. That's what I'm saying. These levels do hold. Like, look at this now. Where are the ICT guys? Look at this. It's random. We don't stress. You don't have to come on here to I'm not saying support is better than ICT. I'm not saying SMT is better than this or this is better than that. All trading systems work. It just depends on your tolerance. Because me, I cannot tolerate entering 7 trades and losing and just hoping that I hold one trade and take it to 10R or 20R so that I can cover all the losses. I don't have that I don't have that kind of patience, I don't. So I just want to get my money and get out. That's it. So support here, like I said, has worked here. Resistance, just keep doing the thing. So that's price action. It's that simple, guys. So yeah, if you want to know how I trade or more about how I trade, or maybe learn or join my my team and stuff, you can check out the links in the description. If you don't, or this video helped you out, I'm glad it did, and you can subscribe for more. So I'll close the video here. I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, before I forget, don't click off. Let me bring you to my Telegram. Okay, so this is my Telegram, and let me just bring you back all the way. Okay, session starts. This is Monday, I suppose. Yeah, this is like the first day of trading. So I normally post setups here. Let me just go back. Go back and show you. So these are setups that I post like every weekend. I upload I upload setups, I upload opportunities, areas that I think price will bounce off of. So if you're not in my Telegram channel, you're missing out on a lot, because this week I'll upload on Sunday all my pairs that I'm looking at, so you guys can keep your eyes on it, do your own analysis and trade from it too. So those are the setups that I posted, all of it. See, gold, AUD, JPY, PNTD, all of that good stuff. Then I have my trade. I took this one, was testing out ICT. Okay, this is the video that I made. There's a video on my channel that I posted about ICT trade. I took this trade on ICT, and this is like a 1% that I made. So this is the video. All right, so session closed. Monday session opens. This is it. These are the trades I was currently holding. These are orders that I've placed. Like I told you guys, I always place my orders in the market before, like I don't wait for some kind of confirmation, order block, or some kind of candle rejection, or some kind of pattern. I don't trade patterns, I don't trade rejections, I don't trade engulfing candles. No, I just look for support. I put my entries, I just put my limits there like this. I just set my orders and I leave. Simple. So here, same thing. This is a trade that I took. Euro GBP 1:2. Simple. This is it on my terminal. Perfect entry. You can look at that entry right there. I'm the only person on YouTube that teaches how to take enter trades like this, guys. You will not see it anywhere. Like, you don't enter trades like this in forex, but I do it here. So I think, yeah. So this is another setup that I posted, and I took that trade. Then this is another one, another sell, Euro JPY. Normally I post it. This is it, Euro JPY. You can see here, $1,000. It's cool, it's amazing. This is another one. Okay, I think this one was a loss. Okay, this is it, a loss, and this loss was supposed to be 1%, but I cut my losses short. It's very important. You can see here, cut your losses short. It's very important to know how to manage risk when trading. Okay, so risk management is kind of our priorities here on forex hybrid. So this is another trade on Euro JPY that I took. This was actually my last trade. So guys, that is it. That quick tour of my my Telegram. So you can check out this free Telegram. Links are down below. I'll see you guys in my next video.